Hey everyone, today I want to do a Walmart fall clothing haul. We bought fall items for each of the girls and myself from the new fall 2022 line from Walmart, and I wanted to show you those because I think they're super cute, and Walmart seems to be improving every year on their quality of their clothing and styles that they offer. But real quick, I wanted to show one more thing as well. Now, I promise this is all I'm going to do for this. I thought when I went back to school shopping for the girls, middle and high school, I didn't need these kind of things, but the more I started looking into the art and science and history, I did still need these. So this is what we're going to start with. I needed some construction paper for them to make like lap books and things for their middle school science classes, and just for like little fun creative art pieces as well for the high schoolers. So I went ahead and picked up a 120 pack of the construction paper, and then the 7th grader is starting week 1 of school with making a model of the layers of the earth. So it specified either molding clay that you would have to dye yourself, or buy the expensive ones that already dyed, or you could just use Play-Doh. So we're going to attempt to do it with Play-Doh. This is a project we've never done before, but we're really looking forward to doing it and trying it. So we went ahead and picked them out, and these were like 44 cents each. I thought Play-Doh was I knew Play-Doh was inexpensive, but like for a project where you're making a model of the earth, using Play-Doh is not that expensive. So we have a dark blue, a pink, a pastel yellow, like a pastel lime green is how I would define it. Then we have the dark green, the orange, and the purple. Let me put this away, and then I will show you the clothes. And here are the clothing pieces we purchased. So we have 1 from Wonder Nation, 3 from No Boundaries. If you're new to shopping Walmart, No Boundaries is geared more towards their juniors, like other stores that have like a juniors department. That's what No Boundaries is pretty much to us, because the smalls of the No Boundaries are smaller than the smalls in the women's department, where their main line of clothing there is the Time and True, which I have been super happy with the Time and True that we have purchased recently, which again, I'll show you a couple of those in a minute. But I'm going to start with the Wonder Nation. I have one tween who still fits clothing sizes in Wonder Nation. She's barely a tween, just starting middle school. And this was an item that she picked out. She really loves it. It's a green color. She really loves to wear green pieces. And she loved the layered look that this dress has. I am a little worried about wrinkling on it, but I also figure like if I pull it immediately out of the dryer, it shouldn't be a problem. And I can touch iron if I just absolutely have to. But it was a color that she really liked, and a color that looks really good on her. And like I said, she loves like layered pieces. So this was a perfect fit for her. And then this one again is Wonder Nation, and we got the 14, 16. Usually we get the 18s because sometimes after wash and wear, the 14, 16s shrink and they don't fit her. But they didn't have an 18 in any of these because we waited. And that's why I usually go fall shopping in August, because every time I've waited until September when I'm actually going to wear said pieces or want said pieces, they usually are sold out of all the stuff that I want. So I usually go ahead and go in August instead so that I can actually find pieces. And when I say fall pieces, they will wear these to the fall, but these are also pieces that they would want to wear to like Thanksgiving meals at families' houses. So we mostly focus on dresses today. But again, that's why we did it, is because we want something dressy that they can wear all through the fall and also have for Thanksgiving. So again, this is the 14, 16, and it was $11.98. So I'm going to move these as I go. This one is, and it's really hard because like it's print on print on print the way I have it laid out. This one is more of like the fitted. I have one teen who the fitted clothing looks better on her than the A-line ones do. The A-line ones just look really sloppy on her, really messy. So I don't buy her A-line clothing. I buy her more of like the fitted, like, I don't know what style this is called. I know what ours is called, like for normally, like I wear A-line and 2 of my other girls wear A-line. This is not A-line. This is like the straight down with a little bit of curve to it. This one actually came with a shirt with it. And it is the, in the 90s we called them spaghetti straps. I don't know what the kids today call them. But what I loved about the new ones this year for fall, check this out guys. You can adjust the straps to whatever length you want. And I think that is so cool because I haven't really found any before with the skinnier straps like that, where you could do that and adjust it to your own personal liking of where, this piece is going to ride on you. And I love that they added those to all of the skinnier straps this year for their fall dresses. I didn't look at the summer. I'm just looking at the fall ones. Again, yeah, like I said, they love the prints. They love the plaid prints, the colors, the brown with the teal. I love those colors together. This one actually came with the shirt, and the front is pretty much solid with a couple pleats like right here. So the ones that come with shirts are $14.98. So then the next one, it has a zipper on the front, but again, if you flip it over, ta-da, it has the adjustable straps. And my teens absolutely loved that you could do that, because they're not short. I don't think my kids are short, but like their shoulder to chest length may be a little bit shorter than other girls are, and they may want to wear theirs a little bit higher than some people do. So I like that they can now adjust them to whatever size they want. So this is the brown with a little hint of black, and I don't know if you call that tan or beige, but with their, and like I said, it does have the zipper on the front, but they really like the colors, so that was my main focus. And like, I don't think the zipper is going to draw too much attention. So, and oh, sorry, I forgot to show you guys. Again, these are the No Boundaries, which is more like their junior sizes, and these are $13.98. I really like this one. I love the color of this one on the teen who picked this out. And again, I'm going to keep emphasizing this. It also has the straps on it to where you can put it on the hanger. But I love that it has the adjustable straps, and like it blends in, so it's not really easy to see. You may miss it when you're looking at it, but I love that it has that. They don't have pockets, but I love that they have the adjustable straps on it, and it does again have the zipper on the front. And these are going to be great pieces for them to be able to layer with cardigans and whatnot as the weather starts cooling off, but also has the fun fall prints that they like. And again, both of those were $13.98. And last but not least, we have mine. So I shop the Time and True, and sometimes I will shop the the smaller of their plus sizes, because I like the waist usually better on their leggings in their plus department, and I can't think of what that brand is called right off the top of my head. I went and found a pair I bought last year. These are the Terra and Sky, Terra and Sky leggings. And if you look, again, the waists are wider on these. Like usually the other brands, like you can kind of see, actually this one's not. Ooh, this one is a little bit wider, but it's not this brand. Usually there are other non-plus size ones, and this is not a plus size. This, well, actually it is a plus size, so maybe that's why. But usually like they're ones that are not plus size. This band is like super tiny, and I don't like the ones with the tinier bands right here, because it feels to me like you can see that band through your clothes, and it looks bulky when you wear it that way. So I hate when it does that, but I like that this has the wider band. And the reason I actually got a 2XL on this is because they either had large or 2X. Figured I'd rather get the 2X and let it shrink down, because this is the 0X. So like they have a large, extra large, and then a 0X. This is the 0X. Like I said, the only reason I buy plus size is because I like the wide waistband on it. It is 2X, but also like it feels like it possibly could shrink. So even if it doesn't, like I actually could put pleats in this side or take this side out and shrink it in a little bit, because I can do that. It says Halloween on it, but we were looking it over, and it's basically just like fall pumpkins, fall flowers, fall print. I love anything with maple leaves on it. And then it has more fall colored leaves here, acorns. And I love these, and I was just like, oh, they're such a pretty print. And they're super soft. You have to be careful, because sometimes the print leggings at Walmart are scratchy. These are not. They're super soft. And they were $6.98. So I'm really happy that I was able to find something fall print for myself. And then last but not least, I actually needed some more solid color dresses, because even though I am hard of hearing, I also, if I know the words to it, or if I have like my earpiece in, which our church provides earpieces for the interpreters, if I have that in, I can actually interpret songs. I can't do messages, but I can do songs. So I needed some more solid prints that I could wear like to church and to other casual places to be able to wear for that. And I love that it's a fall color. It actually is appearing lighter on camera than it actually looks in person. But it's more like a maroon color than the brighter color that it looks like on camera right now. And the sleeves, I'm going to try it out and see if I like that style or not. And I usually don't wear buttons down my front, but again, just something to try out, see if I like. But I love that it was an A-line without having like a big bulky in the middle, and a solid one-piece dress. It does not have pockets, but I loved the design of it. It's an A-line. It's all the way down. There's no pockets, but I absolutely love the way this looks.